Tell me what's up lately, I've been knowing you too long. Why you hiding something? I can tell that something's wrong. How could you even think that I wouldn't have your back? Me and you against the world. No matter what we go through, I'm always right with you. I promise I'll be your girl.
Get mad when I can't make time. Should've known that I'm on my grind. Baby, know it's all in your brain. Now we've been through some problems. Trust me, we can solve them. We got too much in it to lose. So much in it. You always been my best friend. I place